Nominated MP Honorable Sabina Chege. Karibu sana mweshi.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa. Father, aitu muthenya wa umuthi. Thank you ni tondu wa gututongorera ni igongona ria mitha. Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, asante sana. We are humbled for your presence. The leadership of Murang'a County na wale ambao wamefika hapa na ithuĩ tũkire mũrĩega. Tumukumia Yesu Kristo. Ngai nĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Siku ya leo hatuna maneno mengi, tumekuja kufariji familia. Herubero iragwo gusha Jehova yotoragio kĩũria nĩngĩahoya ngũrie kĩũria ũnothĩ no reke njiganĩre na ciugo njĩraga mothe mekĩkaga. Nĩtwĩhokete Ngai. Rwĩmbo rũrũ rwatwĩra mothe mekĩkaga kwa wega kũrĩetĩkia. Koguo kũrĩ family ngwenda kũmwĩra gũtirĩ ũndũ umaga Ngai na thutha na mwĩyũmĩrĩrie. Tũkũmũhoera tondũ mahoya no mo tũngĩhota kũmũtegera mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. O toguo Mheshimiwa Betty auga after mazishi tutarudi, and thank you Excellency for agreeing that you will still be with us. Pass our gratitude, and we appreciate His Excellency the President even for allowing you to come and become the mother that you have always been. Asante sana na Mungu akubariki na pia familia yako. We know leadership is not easy. Na uko na watoto wengi ambao wanakuangalia na wangetaka uende ukawaone, lakini leo ukachagua kaunti ya Murang'a. Mungu akubariki sana. And may God remember this day that you sacrificed to come to Murang'a County. Kwa watu wa kaunti wa Murang'a, ni mwaigua kwina moritu maige, tuombee hii familia, tushikilie hii familia, na tuendelee kuombea nchi ya Kenya. Kuri andu aria maumite kanitha uyu wa Catholic, herubo tuinaga ithuĩ tũtarĩ nawe tũrĩ aũ hinya Kristo mwĩhoko witũ nĩ twagũthaitha ũtũhe hinya wa gũkwĩhoka na wa kũmenyaga hĩndĩ tũrĩ gũkũ thĩ hinya witũ nĩwe. Let us continue trusting in God. Tutasimama na familia. Najua High Excellency akiongea tutasema sisi pia waheshimiwa vile tutasimama na familia kwa sababu ya mazishi. But even after that, we will stay stand with the family. When Betty said kuna watoto 12 ambao watabaki hawana mama na pia hata hawana grandmother or a grandfather kwenda pahali wanaweza enda, that thing has touched my heart. Na tondũ Ngai no okoragwo na ngoro cia ciana cia ndigwa, ngoro ciana icio cigũkũna hata kama hawako. I want to tell them nĩ kũrĩ Ngai matu-inĩ. There is God in heaven. I know sisi wote kama leaders tukishikana pamoja, and thank you Honorable Chege kwa sababu ya that gesture ya education yao. We will stand with them, and I know one day, one time, this can be their darkest hour, but one day, one time watasimama waseme kuna Mungu mbinguni. Kwa sababu through this pain, Ngai nĩagerageria andũ nduma-inĩ na ruo rũnene mũno agĩũka kũmarathima. Reke gĩkuũ gĩkĩ gĩtigakorwo kĩrĩ gĩa tũhũ, gĩkorwo nĩ gĩa kũgocithia Ngai. Ngai witũ amũrathime, asanteni sana.
Thank you so much, Honorable Sabina. And now I take this chance and invite the KERA chairman, Mr. Anthony Mwaura. Karibu sana, Mr. Anthony.
Asante sana, Bwana Chege, our Fika General, Father Charles, fathers wale wako na sisi, our House of Clergy, Your Excellency, Mama Rachel Ruto, the First Lady, and now our local leaders. Na andũ aitũra rĩrĩ, Ngai nĩ mwega hĩndĩ ciothe. It is very unfortunate, your First Lady, that you have come at this village when you are having such a calamity. We wish you could have come at a better time. No, Ngai Ngai nowe oĩ gĩtũmi kĩrĩa kĩratũmire andũ aya matũtige. Na gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩũria Ngai kĩũria. Na nduma ĩyo yonekire kuma thaa 6 kinya thaa 9 ũtheri no ũgoka. Andũ manathiĩ magacakaya, magacoka makariganĩrwo nĩ mũciĩ ũcio maracakayagĩra. Ciana icio ikarĩa thĩna, ciana icio ikona thĩna, ciana icio ikaga mbere na ikaga thutha. Your Excellency, even if you are going to do any kind of fundraising or everything, never forget that family. If there is anybody from that family who is of age, amemaliza shule, somebody we can give a certain kind of employment so that he can become or she can become a source of income for that family. It will make that family. And all the blessings will be following you. Ikariria twekaga ciatha, nicio igatũma tuone ũtũro wa matu-inĩ. Niĩ nyumĩte Karĩma Mwaro, mũngĩkagĩa kaũndũ kangĩtũma tũteithie ciana icio, ona kaha mũkaringa gwitũ Karĩma Mwaro, ũtukũ na nĩngamweterera. Na mwahũra nĩngamũhingũrĩra. Your Excellency, thanks so much. We cannot take it for granted. We are really grateful. We are going to do everything, and Bwana Chege, Mheshimiwa, thanks so much. Uwapatie basari, na usiwapatie 3,000, uwapatie basari yote. The 12 children, wale wako grade 9, wale wako primary, wale wako secondary, wachiache shule. And let me tell you something, wacha niwaambie, kaide mwele ado itura rĩrĩ. Ciana icio ingĩgaita maithori. Ciana icio ingĩgaita maithori. Na kinya gwakinya hĩndĩ ya Christmas, gwakinya hĩndĩ ya thigũkũ, mũgathiĩ mũciĩ ũyũ, mũkahũra, mũkoragia ciana icio kana cina mũtu wa cabaci, igĩkanda, ona cigirie cabaci. Na mũgatigagĩrĩra kũu gwa ciana icio nĩ kwanuga gĩtũngũrũ. Na noguo itũra rĩrĩ rĩkarathimwo. Gũtirĩ gĩtũmi kĩngĩ gĩgatũma rathimwo. Ona ũngĩgakorwo wĩna indo cihana atĩa, indo nyingĩ atĩa, no wage kũrora mũndũ mwana wa ndigwa. Ngai ũrĩa igũrũ ndagakũrathima. Na wona mweka ũguo itũra rĩrĩ nĩ mũgũtuĩka kũrathimwo. Ngai amũrathime, Ngai amwĩke wega. Tuthike family icio na tutikanaririkana nĩ family icio. Your Excellency, thanks so much. Ukirudi Nairobi, just tell His Excellency that we are so grateful, that we are happy, that we really respect that decision and we are happy about that decision. And please, always go to a very prayerful woman, always pray for this family. Thanks so much. Na hata haya mambo ikiisha, let us come back and let us continue supporting this family. Kayo mweka wega itũra-inĩ rĩrĩ, na mũrathime, na mũthiĩ na mbere na support ciana icio na kũgoca Mwathani.
Thank you so much. And now I take this chance to invite the Member of Parliament from Kangema, my friend, Mr. Kehongi. Karibu sana. The MP for Kangema, Mr. Kehongi. Karibu sana. Thank you so much.
Okay, asante sana Mheshimiwa, the clergy na His Excellency, the First Lady, na familia, na do Rosho, murega inyuothe. Langu sina la kusema ni kuleta bila zangu kwa familia na from Kangema constituency na kuambia Mungu aweze kuwapea nguvu. Langu ni kushukuru sana Her Excellency. There is that thing hiyo umesema utatuma duare. I have remembered when I joined Form 1, I was in Maragwa, Ichagaki, maybe some of them tulikuwa tunasoma na wao. We happened to join with a young man who was stammering. We used to be molested a lot. Therefore, when he was stammering, alikuwa anachapwa juu kuongea yake ilikuwa na shinda. But now, it came out that her parents were part of the accident that was at Marura. I know everybody had the history of Marura. Ile ilikuwa pale Maragwa. Kwa hivyo, the young man, the shock, it affected the young man, akaanza kustama. And I think that's the most critical issue of counseling. And I wish, as you have taken the issue of counseling, let them take it seriously. The emotional effect sometimes move with the child. Like now, the accident was around 88, around 87. And that young man now, we were with him in 1992, 93. That's when we found, and he went throughout his life. that effect went around his life, or stammering. Therefore, I think that idea that has come to your mind of counseling the children, and I wish the CS and whoever would be involved, they take it more seriously, that they work with the journey on those children, on the counseling, because counseling is very critical because of the shock that fights the family. Lakini tunawaambia Mungu aweze kuwajalia na tutaendelea kushirikiana pamoja na hata kuwaombea. Mungu awabariki sana. Asante sana.
Thank you so much, the Member Parliament Kangema.